Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to tell you about Squirts on Amazon. That's the name. And they gave me some products to test out. Right now, I'm going to unbox them and show you. And in another video, I'll make something with them. So let's grab the first package. In this nice little bag. Well packaged. Hey, and fast delivery. Because when Scott handed me this package earlier today, I was like, what is this? He goes, well, I don't know. So I opened it, and I'm like, and it was my products. I didn't expect them for another week. So delivery was on spot. So we got this little felt bag. There's their name. And I had a choice to pick 2 products out of their stuff, their supply or items. And I picked these wooden buttons. Nice package. I think there's like 25 in there, maybe even more. Not positive, but they have different designs. They remind me like boho, Mediterranean, or medallion. Medallion? Is that how you say that, guys? But they're wood. They're about 1/2 inch long, nicely coated, centered nice. They look like that. Brown on the back side. Really nice images on them. Really cool looking, aren't they? So that's the one product I picked. I bet you there's 50 in here. Guarantee easily 50 in it. It's more than 25, so I bet you there's 50. Actually, should I go check and let's see how many it says? Hang on. 100. There are 100 in here, and they are $7.99. Not bad. 100 different mixed random painted flower wooden buttons. 2 holes for sewing, craft, and DIY. Now, they say flowers, but I think they look more like boho. Alright, let's check out the next item I got that I chose. Again, it says their name. It is beads that have like letters on, the alphabet. This is like a kit, kind of. Packaging is awesome. So let's see what you get. In this kit alone, it is 1,000 pieces of 6x6 colorful lettered beads, acrylic lettered beads, bracelet, plastic white, black cord, shape, loose beads, DIY jewelry, basic make a slice. $12.99. Sorry, I'm a little hoarse. So, start with cording. You get some red cord, like turquoise cord, some white, or like clear, plasticky. This feels felt. This feels elasticy. That's nice. Here's a set of letters. Oh my god, they're so cute! Look like that. They got the little hole in each bead. You got the letters on each side of it. That one. You get black. Same thing, letters on both sides, hole in the center. Nice. You get like a rainbow color. And we got another rainbow color. This is like a kind of clearer rainbow color to the solid. See the difference? That's nice. And then we got some black, or white with black. So we got black with white and white with black. That's cool. Can mix and match. And this one's kind of cool. I like this one. Neon colors. I'd say this is my favorite. You tell what era I was born and grew up in. Neon colors. So that was pretty cool. Came in nice packaging. Even this is nice packaging. Easy to put in it, like if you have the plastic separator, you just pour it in there, like if you want. So that right there is is, and I don't think it's bad price. $12.99 for all that. And so I think it's a good deal. So I will have their store in my description box. So go over and check them out, guys, okay? I want to thank you for watching and look forward to a video with me making a couple projects with this. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, and thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, go check out the store on Amazon.